That's an edge. Steve Smith's got that one. Very safe pair of hands at third slip. Mitchel Starc, he's in terrific form with the ball.
Yeah, it's great bowling. He's been all over Kutzer in the first couple of overs. This time Kutzer, no footwork, tries to hit it on the up against Mitchel Starc. Too much pace and bounce.
Slashed and well taken. Well, that's the end of a enterprising innings from McLeod. He played well, hit a number of balls in that area. This time finds the man at backward point. Two slips in place now. Oh, he's got him right through him. Well, the rain delay certainly hasn't worked for Scotland. And Mitchel Starc once again zeroes that Yorker right at middle stump. Yes, he can! There it is! Wicket number 4 for Starc. He cleans up the tail again. He's in terrific form.